What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Metrobank interest rates. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung interest rates ng deposit accounts ni Metrobank, at the same time yung credit card, cash installment interest rates, and then yung personal loans at saka yung home loans. Lahat ng products na ino-offer ni Metrobank, pag-uusapan natin yung interest rates, kung magkano nga ba yung ino-offer nila. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang, kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag yung kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po, at sobrang maraming salamat po. So, as you can see guys, ito, deposit account rates and fees. So, Metrobank offers a variety of interest rates depending on the product. So, when we say depending on the product, kasi may time deposit, may regular savings account, may credit card cash installment, may personal loan, may home loan, may car loan, ganyan. Kaya siya, depende sa product na in-avail ninyo. With savings account earning a low rate like 0.0625%, while time deposits offer higher rates based on the deposit amount and term. So, nakita nyo naman is with savings accounts earning a low rate 0.625%. Ito yung sa regular savings account nila. While time deposits offer higher. So, ibig sabihin, mas mataas. So, when we say time deposit, guys, you will have a certain amount na i-deposit doon, tapos i-hold yun for a certain period of time. Like, for example, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, even 1 year, or 12 months. So, for loans, rates are significantly higher. Of course, kasi doon kumikita si Metrobank. It's a business matters, such as personal loans with an annual contractual rate of 36.742% for a 12-month term, or home and car loans with varying rates like 6.75% per annum for a home loan, or 17.33% for a 36-month car loan. So kapag up to 36 months yung car loan ninyo, nasa 17.33% yung interest rates niya. So, ito yung breakdown, guys. Iisa-isahin natin siya ngayon. Deposit accounts as regular savings account as 0.625%. So, ito yung passbook at saka yung ATM. Yung interest rates niya, annual. So, annual ito guys yung usapan dito. Hindi siya per month. So, yung 0.625% kapag dinivide nyo into 12, yun yung magiging monthly interest rate ng pera na dineposit ninyo sa regular savings account nyo sa Metrobank. Checking accounts, ganun din. 0.625%. Minimum to earn interest is 50,000 pesos. So, sa checking account, guys, kailangan is 50,000 yung nakadeposit para makapag-earn siya ng interest every month. Time deposits, rates vary based on the amount and term. So, nakita nyo naman, rates vary based on the amount and term. Kasi nakadepende siya, guys, i-deposit yung pera kung gaano rin katagal ninyo i-hold or i-save yung pera doon. Kasi pag maikli lang, kukunin nyo agad. So, mas maliit yung magiging interest rates niya. Compared, kung malaki yung i-deposit nyo, even ganun din, kung maliit man yan, kung mas matagal nyo siya i-hold doon, mas malaki yung makukuha ninyo. Mas maganda kung mas malaki yung i-hold nyo, i-deposit, at saka mas matagal nyo siya i-save doon, mas malaki yung returns. For example, a 180 to 364-day deposit can earn rates of up to 0.500% for amounts of 5 million and above. Ganun yung interest rates, guys, kapag, tulad na sabi ko, depende siya sa amount na i-deposit niyo sa time deposit accounts. Then nga, let's move on to loans. Personal loans. 12 months is 1.75% monthly add-on rate. So, pag sinabing monthly add-on rate, ito na yung monthly yung usapan. Kanina, sa savings account, yearly. Sa personal loans or loans is monthly na yung usapan. 12 months, 1.75% monthly add-on rate and or 36.742% annual contractual rate. 36 months is 1.25% monthly add-on rate, 25.976% annual contractual rate. So as you can see guys, pag nakita nyo naman, sa 36 months, mas maliit yung interest rates monthly. Kapag mas maiksi, mas malaki yung interest rate niya monthly. So ngayon, let's move on to car loans. So 12 months naman is nasa 7.70% OMA. So when we say OMA guys, meaning is 1 month advance. So ibig sabihin, so as you can see guys, 12 months is 7.70%. Then open and close parenthesis, ibig sabihin 1 month advance. Then sa 36 months naman is 10.12%, open and close parenthesis, OMA 1 month advance din. Para naman sa home loans guys, a promotional rate of 6.75% PA or per annum is available for a specific promo. Then ngayon, let's move on to credit cards interest rates, guys. Para naman sa balance transfer, if you are using Metrobank credit cards, up to 1% monthly add-on rates. So, regular interest rate yung 1%. Ngayon, kapag natapat or na-tsempohan ninyo na may promo si Metrobank, pumapalo lang minsan guys sa 0.39%, 0.42%, 45%. 0 point ha, ibig sabihin centavo, hindi siya decimal, hindi siya whole number. Like dito 1%. So mataas yun guys. So kapag nag-promo na tsimpuhan nyo, umabot lang ng 0.39, 0.42, mas makaka-save kayo. Then cash to go. So when we say cash to go guys, it is feature of Metrobank credit cards na kung saan yung credit limit or yung available credit limit nyo sa Metrobank credit card is pwede nyo i-convert into cash. So, ibig sabihin, makaka-outang kayo ng pera sa Metrobank using your Metrobank credit card. Up to 1% monthly add-on rate. So, regular interest rate din ito. Minsan, nag-o-offer din sila ng mas mababa sa 1%, which is tulad na sabi ko, 0.42, 0.45, 0.49, 0.55%. Ganon siya guys. Kaya, antayin nyo lang, if you are planning na i-convert yung Metrobank credit card credit limit ninyo, antayin nyo na magkaroon sila ng promo kasi malaking bagay din yung matitipid sa 1%. Kasi 1% tos matapat na 0.39% lang. O diba? 0.81% yung na-save ninyo. Napakalaking bagay nun kapag up to 3 years nyo siya babayaran. Tapos ito guys, kailangan nyo rin i-highlight no, na if nag-time deposit kayo guys sa Metrobank, highlight ko lang itong time deposit. Kapag time deposit kasi guys, hindi nyo talaga pwedeng galawin yung pera. Kung gusto nyo na buo ninyo makuha yung returns or yung interest rates or yung kinita ng perang dineposit ninyo sa Metrobank. Kasi hold out amount yon. Ibig sabihin, hindi nyo pwedeng galawin. It's because kailangan nyo antayin yung certain period of time. Iulit ko lang. Kasi I'm sure na ipapautang ito ni Metrobank sa mga nagpe-personal loan. So, tingnan nyo naman, as you can see, compared sa interest rates, Metrobank personal loans and Metrobank deposit accounts is napakalayo. Kasi doon sila kumikita. Parang lending company yung dating ni Metrobank. Tapos nag-offer sila ng savings account na kung saan nag-i-interest din ng 0.625% per annum. So, per year. Napakababa compared to personal loans na 1.75% yung monthly add-on rate. Monthly yun guys. Hindi siya yearly sa personal loans. Kaya naman kung magtataka kayo, bakit ganun? Of course, it's a business matters when it comes to loans and savings. At the same time, guys, if you have savings account, the convenience is there. So, if bumili kayo sa supermarket, ng nagkakalaga ng 100,000, hindi nyo kailangan magbilangan ng pera doon. So, gamitin na lang yung card, then bayad ka na. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-antay ng sukli. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!